Hey Hema, look at this semi Maheshwari for 799.
As the name indicates, Maheshwari saris come from the Maheshwar region in Madhya Pradesh, and they are worldwide renowned for their lightweight and unique texture. Now we say that it's a semi Maheshwari. Now, just for a minute, and understand what goes into a Maheshwari sari. Let's first understand the material composition of a Maheshwari sari. In the warp, you have a single ply degummed silk, and in the weft, you have a 2 by 120 cotton. Now, the silk usually comes from Bangalore, and the cotton is mostly from Coimbatore region in South India. Now, this combination of single ply, imagine, so to give you a comparison, if you've ever bought our saris, we use 2 ply silk in the warp. Here, in fact, it is just going to be one thread of silk in the warp and 2 by 120, one of the finest cotton yarns available in the weft. Now, that creates this inimitable drape and fall of the Maheshwari sari. To give you a comparison, this is also a silk by cotton, but this has 2 ply silk in the warp and 2 by 120 in the weft. Now, 2 ply silk here means two silk yarns twisted to form one yarn, and that gives this a much more luxuriance and thickness to the sari. So if you see here, you have on one side the single ply taken from the Maheshwari sari, and on the other side a normal 4 ply used on any silk cotton saris. Now if you see here the difference in the thickness itself, this contributes to the extraordinary lightness of the sari. Most of them are characterized by a dobby border and either a plain body like this, or a nice a larger dobby border and a checked body like this, or a dobby border and some buttas all along. Now, where does the golmaal happen? Simply remove everything, put polyester, put a price tag of 700, golmaal number 1. Remove the silk, put polyester, and probably weave with the cotton blended polyester in the weft, golmaal number 2. Remove silk, remove cotton, put polyester and viscose, golmaal number 3. Now, due to the nature of the single ply silk used, and the light weight of the sari, and the fact that they don't use heavy jacquards, Maheshwari saris, especially the silk cotton ones, already become the starting range for the festive handloom saris. So festive handlooms can go up to your beautiful brocade Banarasis and your heavy Kanjivarams, but this is the starting range. Now, already weavers have come this close to us, right? They're saying we have something super beautiful, but at 3,500, 4,000 itself. Now, we just have to come a few steps and say we'll buy one, but something like this. And that means, when something is available for 700, it is nothing but a
गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है